Hello, my name is Ibiere Seck. I'm with Seck Law, based out of Los Angeles, California, and we try cases. What I was most interested in was telling the stories of the people that I was representing, because it was clear to me early in my practice that the playing field was not equal. The settlement values for people of color was far lower than other folks. And what I really wanted to focus on was amplifying their voices and telling their story and making people recognize that these aren't just human beings, they're exceptional, extraordinary human beings who have suffered devastating losses, and there will be no discounts. The story is the case. Where does this person come from? What makes them? And if I can't tell a compelling story, then they're just facts. It's higher stakes because the cases that I try can be won or lost. They're not settled. It really comes down to 12 people in a jury box who are strangers, who have no connection really to my client. And it's my job to humanize them and make those 12 people feel as though they are truly invested and it is their destiny. The reason they were put on this earth was to make that person whole. Becoming the best trial attorney I can possibly be requires consistent, constant, deliberate, intentional training. You only get better when you're focused on it. And then I'm watching other incredibly skilled attorneys all the time. You can learn something from everyone. Everyone has something to teach you. I feel like much of my work is just learning about people and the human experience and learning how I can connect with someone who I might think may be completely opposite of me, having nothing in common with me, and finding commonality. I don't feel like you have truly mastered something until you are able to teach it. And so I'm constantly challenging myself to instruct. I am then challenging myself to learn. There weren't many women trial lawyers that I could look to. I didn't know any Black women trial lawyers. There was no model really that I could really look to that I could identify with. There's no one way to advocate. Everyone has a different voice. And the more voices I saw or heard, the more I thought, well, my voice fits in there somehow. So I want people to see that, because I want to see more women, specifically women of color, trying cases. Not for my ego, but for the community. We need more representation. Like, we need more people representing people. If they believe that they can do it, they see that there's a model out there for them, they will follow it, they will do it. So that's why I teach, that's why I show up. You know that if you're coming to a TLU event, that the person who's instructing knows what they are talking about. They are at the top of their game, and you're gonna learn. You're gonna take away concrete things that you can apply to your practice, not tomorrow, but today, right now.